Union Cabinet has approved amendments to the Constitution Bill to launch the Goods and Services Tax, incorporating some of the suggestions of the select panel of Rajya Sabha that should clear the way for the passage of this much-awaited reform. Key changes approved by the Cabinet in the GST law is full 5-year compensation to the states for possible loss of revenues. In a big boost to infra financing, the Cabinet approved the creation of National Infrastructure and Investment Fund as a trust that will have a corpus of 20,000 crore rupees. Government's contribution would be limited to 49% of the subscribed capital. Infra investment was scaled up by 70,000 crore rupees this year by the government earlier. Union Cabinet approved a new Consumer Protection Bill 2015 that seeks to replace a 29-year-old law and proposes to set up a regulatory authority which will have powers to recall products and initiate class suit against defaulting companies, including e-tailers. The new bill is prepared to replace the Consumer Protection Act 1986. The Cabinet has also allowed foreign investors to invest in alternate investment funds registered with market regulator SEBI. Alternate investment funds registered as trust or structured or incorporated as company or limited liability partnership would be able to attract foreign funds. Federal Reserve said US economy and job market continue to strengthen, leaving the door open for a possible interest rate hike when central bank policymakers next meet in September. Following their latest two-day policy meeting, Fed officials said they felt the economy had overcome a first-quarter slowdown and was expanding moderately despite a downturn in the energy sector and headwinds from overseas. Budget carrier SpiceJet, which was swung to profits in the last 2 quarters, is now looking at fresh aircraft orders as part of its growth plans. According to the Chief Finance Officer, the airline may look at 80 to 100 planes, although discussions are still at an initial stage. SpiceJet currently has a fleet of 18 Boeing 737 planes, 14 Bombardier Q400 jets, and 2 wet-leased Airbus A319 planes.